In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Asana with Jotform submissions 5 minutes. First, sign into your Jotform account and head to your workspace. On the top left, click the plus button labeled Create. From the menu, choose Form. You can start from scratch if you know exactly what you need, or pick a template to save time. Either way works. The goal is to build a form whose answers will become details in an Asana task. In the form builder, add the fields you want to capture. A short text field makes a great task title. A long text area can become the task description. And date, dropdown, and file upload fields can map to due dates, sections, or attachments in Asana. Keep labels clear, and if something is required for a task, mark that field as required so nothing important is missed. When your form looks good, click Publish. Publishing makes the form live, but will now set up the automation behind it. Open the Settings tab at the top, then select Integrations. In the Integrations gallery, find Asana and select it. Choose Create Task as the action, since we want every new submission to generate a task. Click Next, then Authenticate. A window opens so you can securely connect your Asana account. Follow the prompts to grant access. During these prompts, you'll choose the Asana workspace and project where tasks should land, and you'll map your Jotform fields to task fields. For example, map your form's title field to the Asana task name, your long text field to the task description, and any date field to the due date. If your Asana project uses assignees, custom fields, or sections, you can set defaults or map matching fields where available. Take a moment to review the mapping so task details arrive exactly as you expect. Confirm the integration to finish. From now on, each submission to this form will create a corresponding Asana task in the project you selected, with the information neatly populated based on your mapping. You can return to the integrations area anytime to edit or disconnect the setup if your process changes. That's it. You've connected Jotform to Asana so your intake, requests, or leads seamlessly turn into actionable tasks without any manual entry. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you set it up.